Hello everybody! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a prime rib roast. You can use it for your family Christmas dinner, or maybe it's your best friend's birthday and you want to surprise them. It's so simple that even a kid can do it. What we have here are a 4.5 pound prime rib roast, Dijon mustard, sea salt, 100% virgin olive oil, smoked paprika, and minced garlic. Before we put all our ingredients together, we're going to preheat our oven to 450. Short interruption, what you hear right now is my baby brother Nico. As our oven is preheating, we're going to quickly salt our prime rib roast. And then we're going to smudge it all over the top. Now that our oven is preheated, I'm going to put this delicious prime rib roast into the bottom shelf of the oven for 20 minutes. By the way, check out these cool toys my grandma made. While we're waiting, we're going to mix the separate ingredients into a mixing bowl. We're going to need 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of coarsely ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 3 tablespoons of 100% extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to mix it up. Now that 20 minutes have passed, we're going to take out our prime rib roast and apply this over it. Oh my gosh, it already smells so good. At this point, we put our roast in the oven and drop the temperature to 325 degrees. We're going to be cooking our prime rib roast for about an hour and a half. To make sure that our prime rib roast is done, we're going to use a cooking thermometer. The temperature of the thermometer should be at about 120 degrees or 130 degrees. Now that the roast is done, it's time to cut it open. Look at that meat. And there you got your prime rib roast.